In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore old versions of a project in Canva. If you've ever made changes to a design and wished you could go back to an earlier version, this is exactly what you need. I'll walk you through where to find version history, how to preview older versions safely, and how to restore or copy them without losing your current work. Start by opening the project you want to roll back. Make sure you're in the editor for that specific design so the correct options appear. At the top left of the editor, click File. In the menu that opens, choose Version History. This will take you to the version history view for your project. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a panel listing past versions of your design. These versions are typically time-stamped and grouped by when changes were saved, so you can quickly spot the point in time you want to revisit. Click any version in that list to load a preview on the canvas. Take a moment to look through the design in the main area and confirm it matches what you want to bring back. You can click through pages if your project has multiple pages, just to make sure the content you need is in place. Once you find the version you want, you have two choices. If you're confident and ready to replace your current design with that older one, simply click Restore. Canva will switch your live project to that selected version, so your current design is overwritten by the older design. This is great when you're sure the previous version is the one you want to continue working from. If you're not ready to overwrite your current design, choose Make a Copy instead. This option creates a separate copy based on the version you selected while preserving your existing project exactly as it is. It's a safe way to compare the two side by side, or to experiment with the older layout without losing your latest edits. That's all there is to it. Open your project, go to File, select Version History, preview the versions on the right, and either restore the one you want or make a copy to keep both. It's a simple workflow that can save you time, protect your progress, and help you recover your best ideas whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!